Super moist chocolate chip loaded banana bread. Yes, that's the recipe I'm going to share with you today. I have all the ingredients laid out here. It's pretty simple and it's made with basic ingredients, but there are few ingredients which makes it extra special. So let's get started. First, I'm going to prepare the key ingredient, which is bananas. I have taken 3 ripe bananas here and they are medium sized. So first I'm going to take all the skins off, and what you want to do after that is take a fork or something and then mash them up. For bananas, if you're baking bananas, the riper the better. Sometimes there are bananas which goes black and they give you the best taste. Anyways, banana is prepared. All you gotta do is mash them and set it aside. Now let's take all our ingredients in one bowl. I have half a cup of brown sugar here, soft one, and half a cup of granulated white sugar. To that, I'm going to add some melted butter. And quantity wise, I have half a cup here. And all you want to do is just take a whisk or a spatula and then just mix it in. So you want to mix your sugar nicely with the melted butter here. Now that these 3 ingredients are mixed in, let's add in our next ingredients, which is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. After that, I want to add 2 eggs. Now, you want to make sure that your eggs are all at room temperature, very important for baking. And I'm using large eggs here. After adding the eggs, I want to mix it again to break the eggs and get it mixed with butter and sugar. Once it's done, now it's time to add one magic ingredient, and that is thick yogurt. Now I'm using Greek yogurt and I have half a cup here, and that really helps getting moist banana bread. So yogurt is mixed in. All you want to do is mix it with the rest of the ingredients. And now it's time to add in bananas. So we prepared it previously and it goes in. So sometimes you might get confused how much banana to add. If it's large ones, then go for 2.5. If it's medium size, go for 3. Now it's time to add the rest of the dry ingredients, and I like to use a sieve for that. So I have poured in my flour, just all-purpose flour. To that, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieving always makes sure that there are no lumps in your batter, and that's very important for getting even texture, and your baked good will rise nicely. Use a spatula to mix everything in. When combining flour, you always want to make sure that you do not over mix, and a spatula comes really helpful. Okay, now that these things are mixed, I want to add in chocolate chips. But before I do that, I add half a teaspoon of flour so that my chocolate chips don't all go to the bottom of the baking pan. So all chocolate chip goes in and you just want to fold it. And now our batter is all ready. So let's get a loaf pan, and I have already lined it with parchment paper so that easier for me to take it out from the pan. All the batter goes in. I have already turned on my oven to preheat to 325 degrees. Now I want to add a little bit more chocolate chips. So I have here around 30 to 40 grams of chocolate chips, which I like to lay on the top so that they don't go to the middle and it looks really nice when they are baked in. So now my loaf tin is going to the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes, but it can vary from oven to oven. Once it's baked, it should look something like this, uh, golden or maybe dark brown on the top. I always do a toothpick test to see if it has cooked properly, and yes, it's done. So that's my recipe for making really moist, fluffy banana bread, and it's loaded with chocolate chips. It's delicious. Try it at home. If you have any questions regarding the recipe, please leave them on the comment box below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And one more request, if you like this recipe or after making it, if you find it's a helpful one, please leave a comment on the comment box below and that will really cheer me up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and I hope your banana bread comes out great. Bye.